Hello friends and my dear students, welcome everyone to this video about the scientific tips to study effectively, read actively, understand the concepts in the best way and remember easily. While reading a book, first go through each chapter, note the headings, the subheadings, the charts, the diagrams, the graphs and the tables. Now generate questions about the content of the chapter. Convert the headings and the subheadings into questions and find out the answers. Now read actively. So what is active reading? Active reading means reading in order to answer the questions generated during the quick survey of the chapter. How does active reading differ from passive reading? Passive reading means reading without fully engaging with the study material. Students who read passively will have difficulty in memorizing because the data will not be stored properly in the long-term memory. But the students who read actively will be able to store the data in the long-term memory and they will be able to memorize the data very well during the exams. After actively reading each chapter, try to visualize the academic material which was read. Now, recall the major points as well as the answers to the questions. This will definitely boost the long-term memory related to that topic. Finally, it is extremely important to conduct the review within 24 hours of learning. This is essential for maximum comprehension and memory. By utilizing these study tips, the students will be able to read actively, study effectively and excel in exams. Best wishes to all students for excellence in exams. Good luck. Have a nice day.
Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting.